is CNN Breaking News.
Got Kitty Showdown is what's going on. Ooh. What is going on there? Who's that kitty? Yeah. My goodness. It's snowing outside though. Looks like it's cold. Poor kitty. Poor. What do you think though? Oh, should we let him in? Should we let him in? Maybe just a quick hello. Well, hi, how are you doing? Oh, you just saying hello? Oh.